Wanting to retire early might sound like a big financial goal, but it's doable with the right plan. I would probably be right in assuming that you've thought about retiring early many times, even if you really enjoy your job. The thought of having more free time is appealing, and for most, retirement feels like it's far away and can't come soon enough. The idea of having plenty of time for yourself as soon as possible is pretty attractive. So why do many people aim to retire early? Well, I think the better question is, why wouldn't someone want to retire early? Maybe you have a job that brings you a deep sense of joy, keeps you interested and challenged, and doesn't leave you feeling drained or disconnected from the rest of your life. Perhaps you're in a role you'd happily stick with as long as your body and mind would allow. If that's the case, hats off to you. You're definitely in the minority. Throughout history, a lot of people have eagerly looked forward to the day they could permanently step away, even from the best of jobs. I'm Will, and I teach people about investing, personal finance, and money. I've walked the path you seek, and today I have several businesses and investments that provide me income every single month, meaning I never have to work another day in my life. If you plan on becoming financially free, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the like button if you find this video valuable. Now let's delve into a comprehensive step-by-step guide to help you plan for an early retirement in 7 actionable steps. Number 1. Map out your retirement goals. Start by thinking about what you want your retirement to look like. Do you want to stay in your current home, inherit a place, or try living in different cities? Are you dreaming of a life filled with lots of travel, fancy meals, and exciting adventures? Or do you prefer a quieter life, maybe spending time on hobbies like gardening and reading? Each choice comes with its own costs. If you're aiming to retire early, you need a clear idea of what it'll take to fund the lifestyle you're aiming for. Number 2. Create a retirement budget or a few of them. While having a big savings goal for retirement is important, it helps to break it down into a monthly budget that makes more sense for your everyday life. Like how you plan your money now, make a few budgets that show what your spending might look like in retirement. Think about different scenarios like travel or dining out. Don't stick to just one budget. Try a few to see how your spending could change. This approach not only makes your financial planning more adaptable, but also helps you identify priorities and preferences that can shape your retirement lifestyle. If you already have a retirement budget set out, let me know what it looks like in the comments section below. Number 3. Account for current savings and other assets. Assess your existing financial landscape by taking stock of your current savings, investments, and any other assets you currently possess or anticipate having in the future. This includes not only cash, savings, and investment accounts, but also other assets like real estate. Consider factors such as stock options or assets you may inherit. Understanding your current financial standing provides a crucial foundation for the next steps in your early retirement planning. Number 4. Consider other significant financial events before retirement. Consider any major money moments or important financial stuff that might happen between now and when you retire. Are you thinking about buying a house, paying for your kids' education, or going back to school yourself? Figuring out these major milestones or money responsibilities is crucial to make sure your savings and investment plans match up with these goals. If you think about and plan for these unexpected money situations, you'll be better prepared to handle them and steer your finances in the right direction for the future. These major financial events or commitments can have a big impact on your overall financial picture. For instance, if you're planning to buy a house, you'll need to factor in the costs associated with the down payment, mortgage, and ongoing maintenance. If your goal is to fund your children's education, understanding the expected costs and creating a savings plan becomes essential. Similarly, if you're considering further education for yourself, you'll need to account for tuition, living expenses, and potential income loss during your study period. By identifying and understanding these significant milestones, you'll be better equipped to plan your savings and investments to align with these financial commitments. Number 5. Get a financial advisor. Having a conversation with a financial expert, especially one known as a Certified Financial Planner, or CPF, is a wise step for anyone considering retirement. However, if early retirement is on your mind, this becomes an even more crucial move. Seeking out a CFP is like having a guide who can navigate you through the complexities of early retirement planning. They bring expertise and insights to ensure you're on the right track with your saving strategy and making optimal investment choices to meet your early retirement goal. A certified financial planner can provide personalized advice tailored to your unique situation. They can analyze your current financial standing, understand your goals, and help you craft a plan that aligns with your desired timeline for early retirement. Their expertise extends to various aspects of financial planning, including tax implications, investment strategies, and risk management. A CFP can guide you in making informed decisions, optimize your financial resources, and address any concerns or questions you may have about retiring early. Number 6. Evaluate the trade-offs. When you think about your dream retirement, you'll have different choices, each with its own good parts and not so good parts. For example, you might be able to retire early if you pick a less expensive house. Or if you wait a bit before retiring, you could have more money to enjoy during your retirement. It's up to you to decide what matters most to you. Consider what's important, like having more free time early on or having extra money later. It's your call. For instance, one option might involve opting for a more budget-friendly home, which can enable you to retire early. On the other hand, delaying your retirement for a bit longer might result in a more substantial nest egg, providing you with greater financial flexibility during your retirement years. These are just a couple of examples of the choices you'll need to make in crafting your ideal retirement plan. The key lies in understanding that you have the autonomy to decide what aspects are most important to you in your retirement. It's about aligning your financial strategy with your personal priorities, whether it's the freedom to retire early and enjoy more leisure time or the desire for a larger financial cushion later in life. By evaluating these trade-offs, you empower yourself to make decisions that resonate with your values and aspirations, ensuring that your retirement plan is a reflection of your unique vision for the future. Number 7. Be ready to make changes. No matter the specific retirement strategy you choose, it's crucial to be prepared for some adjustments in your current spending patterns to successfully achieve your early retirement goal. Early retirement isn't a common feat because it demands dedicated focus and discipline toward that objective. This could involve making sacrifices by cutting back on non-essential expenditures in the present and channeling a significant portion of your income into strategic investments. The journey towards early retirement often requires a mindset shift where short-term sacrifices pave the way for long-term financial freedom. It might mean forgoing certain luxuries or unnecessary expenses now in exchange for a more comfortable retirement later. Being flexible and open to modifying your financial habits as needed is essential on this path. In essence, achieving early retirement is a journey that involves not only smart financial planning, but also a willingness to make conscious choices about how you allocate and prioritize your resources. By staying adaptable and making thoughtful adjustments along the way, you increase your chances of reaching the goal of early retirement and enjoying the financial independence you desire. If you're serious about retiring early, I'd suggest you start by adopting some millionaire habits. These will help you start thinking and acting differently and could bring you to early retirement much sooner. Check out this video on what those 6 millionaire habits are.